I'm Kevin Anderson. I'm the head athletic trainer here at Mater Dei. I've been here for about 4 years. As athletic trainers, one of our main jobs is emergency care and safety of our athletes, and that includes weather. We create lightning policies, heat stress policies, and air quality policies. Our whole goal is to keep athletes safe and keep them on the field. So CIF has changed the policies for all schools to use the wet bulb globe temperature. In the past, you could use a heat index, which focuses on temperature and relative humidity. But now with wet bulb globe temp, it measures heat stress in direct sunlight, and it takes into account wind as well as humidity. We would have to go outside and take measurements, and as we're trying to work with our athletes, it can take a lot of time out of our day to try to do that so often and continue to give updates to our staff. So now Periweather makes it so much easier because I have those parameters already set by different zones, and I'll get an update from Periweather. If the football team needs to wear shorts or shells that day, then I can notify the coaches prior to practice and I'll get updates automatically. Those push notifications are helpful for us. We have our athletic trainers and our athletic directors and school admin that get those updates regarding Periweather, and everyone knows what's going on. Everyone is informed on if a policy's been breached. Before Periweather, we would use an app called WeatherBug. One of the big differences with WeatherBug is that they don't have a on-site hardware for us. We may get something that's over 4 miles away, maybe by an airport where it's not as accurate for us. But here at Mater Dei, we have Periweather's weather station here on campus, so we get accurate data immediately. For me, it's peace of mind that I don't have to continue to check WeatherBug for updates. I'll get automatic updates through Periweather. Now with Periweather, we're all using the same weather station, the same updates, so I can show them, hey, based on Periweather, based on the most accurate data, this is the policy, and there's no argument to it. They just understand. With all the things that athletic trainers have to focus on, whether it's emergency care, as we're focused on injury rehab and just managing injuries for so many athletes, we don't want to have to go take a wet bulb globe temp reader, take it out and use that time to then convey the message to coaches. So that it takes up extra time. To me, time is very important. And when I can just have an app on my phone or a web-based app, then it's helpful for me where I can just update coaches immediately, and it gives me that peace of mind and it helps me to do my job more efficiently and effectively. I'm not a meteorologist, so as an athletic trainer, that's not my expertise, so I'm thankful that Periweather takes that portion off my plate.